Grand Mitch Videos presents. Caillou plays with a soldering iron / burns classmate / suspended / grounded. Requested by Jacksmations Productions.
Alright class, welcome to workshop. Today, I want you all to build a computer. Have fun.
A soldering iron. What does that do?
Oh my god, Caillou. That freaking F's hurt. Teacher, Caillou burned my arm with a soldering iron.
First off, Greta, the word S is not allowed here, say but instead, and second off, Caillou. How freaking dare you burn Greta Mitch with a soldering iron? That's it, you're suspended for 34 weeks. Go home now.
Caillou. I cannot believe you burned someone with a soldering iron. That was really bad. You could have given that person you burned severe burns. That's it, you're grounded until 2024, room now.